Want to go invisible on Messenger? Tired of people knowing when you are online? Here is how to turn off your active status and go stealth mode in just a few taps. So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video I am going to show you how to turn off the active status on Messenger. So let's start the video. Tap on the three vertical lines at the top right corner if you are in iOS. Otherwise tap on the menu button, that is the third option at the bottom bar. After tapping on it, you will see several settings over here. Just tap on the setting option, and now again here you will see several settings like dark mode, active status, orders, payments. Search for the active status option. Once you find, tap on it, and here you will see a toggle. Tap on it to turn it on. After turning it on, you won't see when your friends and connections are active or have recently been active on this profile, but still you can use their services if active status is off. But there is one drawback, that you also can't see other people online. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.